Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a new edge control that I absolutely fell in love with. And y'all know how picky I am about edge controls, so you know this has to be amazing for me to like it. So it is called the Touchdown Edge Tamer, and I received two, the orange one, which is the 24-hour hold, and then the yellow one, which is the 18-hour hold. But I decided to use the orange one because why not go big or go home? So you see my edges right now are looking a hot mess, but I'm just going to apply a little bit to my edges. But the ultimate test is when I pull out my brush to put some pizzazz on my edges. So that's exactly what I did next. And y'all, look at that. Girl, I love this product. And look how smoothly it went on. So what I really love about it is that it's so lightweight. You don't even feel that it's on, because I don't like when my edges feel like they're being weighed down. Look at this side to side, y'all. All right, and really quickly, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on anything natural hair or protective styles. But just a few more details about this product. It's not only good for natural hair, but you know, it's good for Brazilian hair or permed hair. But for my hair to be natural and my hair to be so thick, and for it to lay my hair down like this is amazing. I would highly recommend this. But this edge tamer is non-flaking, is super duper rich in moisture, and also is antibacterial, so that's really good. Look how good it laid my kitchen, y'all. That's how you know it laid my kitchen, because my kitchen be looking a mess sometimes. That's why I don't be showing it. But what I wanted to do was to put my hair in a high bun. I had bought some Kanekalon hair, but you see now my hair is like a color 30. So that's what I got in the store, like a color 30 mixed with a 1B. But y'all about to see what color it really was. It's so misleading through the package. So I'm just like, this ain't even it. But look at my edges though. Look at this. Look at this color. This is not, and it doesn't match. And you see the back of my hair is still one color, but this color is just not, it's not doing it for me. So I just said, forget this. I'm just about to put 2 braids in my hair and call it a day. So this is a super cute, easy hairstyle that I like to do as well. So I am still going to be using the orange edge tamer. And so I put it a little bit on the front part of my hair, and I also put it like towards the back of my hair, on top of my hair. So you're going to see when I'm braiding, you're going to see that gel, but I don't want you to think that it's white residue or anything. It's just me literally putting the gel on my hair. I didn't brush where I put it in the back. So I guess I was just frustrated with that dookie color bun, but I just go ahead and start braiding. And I'm just grabbing pieces as I'm going along, and that is it. All right, so now that I'm all done braiding, I just put a little bit of edge tamer on the back of my neck again, just to make sure that this kitchen is slayed. And I just get some bobby pins and cross my braids and then just stick the bobby pins in to where my ends are secured. All right, y'all, so now to just put on the finishing touches, but to wrap everything up, I absolutely love this product. Y'all know I'm not one to really try new products for my edges because I'm a little iffy. I don't play about my edges, but this one has really amazed me. It's so lightweight and I love the look that it's giving me. I would definitely continue to keep using this. This is in my top 3. I absolutely love this edge control, and I do just want to let y'all know that it comes in 3 different strengths. So it comes in the 18-hour hold, which is super, the 24-hour hold, which is ultimate, which I'm using, and it comes in the maximum 36-hour hold. So you can choose whichever one you want, and it is available in local beauty supply stores, so make sure that you go get that. And I did do a little clip of what my hair looked like after 24 hours just to see how my edges were still looking. So I am going to go ahead and insert a clip of that as soon as I'm done show you my edges right now. So this next clip is from the next day. I went to sleep and everything, and sometimes I sleep a little crazy. So for my edges to still look like this after 24 hours, I don't think it's bad at all. I mean, it's not sticky, it's not flaky or anything, but my edges still look a little bit laid. So I love this product. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all on the next video.